freshly got out the mailbox. Let's gobble up with the side. Yes, for that. I will be using this knife. Yeah, yeah. You have to. Ew. I don't like that. At least it kind of cuts a envelope. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, nice. Actually, that's nice. Cause I've actually won one. First, oh hey, one of the I don't know if I have this, but I will be putting it to use. I have a few prepped. I think I have the first one. The Handcaster Cord 2-finger, which has the lows, but no hooks. I think I have one with the hooks also. Not sure. That is 1995. You see, this one is different from this one. But honestly, okay. There you go. Okay. Then for $9.50, which is something I've actually been wanting, like I wanted to give. I was like, oh my god, wow. The reusable glow light. Okay. Grim Handcaster cord, line not included, was designed to work like a pocket fishing rod. It is an ultralight, compact fishing line, spool, and caster, complete with integrated lows, a fully functional hand casting kit. This tool works with any type of fishing line, but can also be used to hold other materials like wire, tape, Kevlar thread, and more. Okay. The Grim Hand Caster fishing cord is one of the best traveling fishing kit additions for ultralight hiking and camping, as well as allowing the accessibility of full hand casting kit in a small cord size fishing kit. Honestly, I don't mind. Very nice. I swear I have this one though somewhere. But yeah, I do have one of these in my whatchamacallit. Okay. Now, emergency signal dog tag. This emergency signal glow in the dog tag was designed to have one side that indicates a polished metal reflective surface that can be used to gain someone's attention and signal for help in emergency. A signal tag during the day is useful. However, if you need to signal at night or signal for help at night, this tool includes an optional for that too. This glow in the dark dog tag emergency signal includes a front reflective side and a glowing startle light that works like a rechargeable glow stick to utilize the glow dog tag's side. Turn the tool over to close the light yellow-green surface that can be charged via sunlight or other light sources to glow bright green and work like a rechargeable glow stick. I'm gonna open this. Oh wow, you can almost see. I want to open it though, because I'm actually gonna be adding this to my kit. To be honest, and we want this. That's all I want. Oh, that's nice. Do I have a glow? Oh, okay, I have it here. So, you do this. Also, you can probably use it as a mirror, which you can. You can use it as a mirror. Right? And then the ghost side. That's cool, actually. That's actually really cool. That's actually really cool, I think. So, yeah. That is $9.50, which, honestly, this is something that you could use, like, while I have a signal mirror, right? I don't have room for a signal mirror in my little Altoids kit. That's what it's in. Bam, here's something you can use. Yeah. I'm going to do this, yeah. I have to. Okay, so next. Oh, wow. They actually, you see that? Next is paper clip lock picking for $5. Okay. There was no way am I doing at least the last three. Let's just go over here. This tip card gives you helpful information on how to pick a lock with a paperclip. Each tip card is weatherproof and completely waterproof and tear resistant. This makes it incredible easy to create a comprehensive bundle of thorough instructions that only includes the information you need. I can do the second thing, but not the other things. I can't do that. Both are also on this other card. Then for $5, foot hygiene. This tip card gives you information on taking care of your feet to prevent serious foot problems. Each tip card is weatherproof. It basically the same thing, you know. It says the same thing, you know. It's a small micro tool with a one. You can put like your whatever on. But yeah, let's see. It does seem like it is glowing though. Oh well, that's so. It does seem like it is glowing though, kind of. But yeah, honestly, yeah, yeah. And it also does include the like little tinder type thing. Oh, some of these are actually made from cornstarch. Just get the, I think, SOS or whatever it's called. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like is this. Yeah. Like. Right? But yeah, anyway. Since we gobbled up the good stuff that's inside. Yeah, set up quick to put the knife in my pocket. Yeah. I'm not disappointed, to be honest. I'm really not disappointed at all. Because, like, I always like getting the hand casters because those are good just to have if I decide to, you know, have options. I have my options for, you know. I gotta find the one thing, though. I knew I had these. Yeah, I didn't have a coffee because I didn't get the, you know, at least, you know, I didn't get to make one yet, at least, you know, so, very well. So, yeah. Anyway, we gobbled up inside, and I think it's good. I like it. Because especially the reflective thing, that's really important to have with you. The hand caster, I like. You know, let me test out the hand caster, too, to see how it would work with me. If you were to open, that'd be great. Let me show you how this will work, too, or how this would be like. I just want to be like like, okay, that's nice. I just realized, but yeah, for me, we actually be 3 fingers. Let's do this, but it'd be 3 fingers for me. I see it'd be 3 fingers for me for casting, pretty much. It's 3 fingers to cast for me because I don't have like big fingers. But yeah, you get. I'm just gonna. It has like, you know, 3 different size loaves. Yeah, I like. You see, it's 3 hands for me, but it is kind of sharp though, so I would file this down a little bit if I were you. So yeah. Anyway, it's been Postbox File. I'm just living in the Wasteland, and I'm just totally doing this the wrong way. Anyway, God bless and peace. God's force with me against us. Peace.